In this video, I'll be taking a look at the Twitch skill for the Amazon Echo Show. And the reason I'm doing this video right now is because I've looked extensively online and I really didn't see anybody review the Twitch skill for the Amazon Echo Show. And one reason I wanted to show was the fact that you can actually watch Twitch on your Amazon Echo Show, which is pretty cool. And it's not really a surprise that you can watch Twitch on the Echo Show, because if you didn't know this, Amazon actually bought Twitch around 3 or 4 years ago, so it's no surprise it would be easy for them to throw on Twitch integration to the show, just because now that they own Twitch, it's so easy for them. Is that the main reason I bought this? No, it's not the main reason I bought this. I wouldn't necessarily spend $220 just to watch Twitch. I did get this on a very huge discount, like I said in my unboxing of this product, but that's really besides the point. Now, one fun fact you may not know about the Twitch skill for the Amazon Echo Show is the fact that you can actually use the Twitch skill on other Alexa enabled devices. It doesn't just have to be the Echo Show. It can be the standard Echo. It can be the Echo Dot. It can pretty much be any Echo device out there. It doesn't just have to be the show. It's just that if you use a device, of course, that doesn't have a screen on it like the show, you're just going to get audio feedback from your stream that you're watching, which is kind of inconvenient. And I don't know why you would really want to listen to your favorite streamer instead of watch your favorite streamer, but just keep that in mind. You do have the option of that if you just want to listen to your favorite streamer as a podcast on your Echo device. Just keep that in mind. I will say there is one reason you may want to actually download the Twitch skill for your Echo, even though you may not have the Echo Show. The main reason you may want to do this, if you didn't know, is because the Twitch skill on the Echo devices does actually have notifications implemented. So that means whenever your favorite streamer goes live, you will get notified on your Echo device. Now, I've been testing mine out for about a week now, and I can say that the notification portion of the Twitch skill is kind of clunky, and it's kind of like not reliable. Sometimes I'll get notified when a broadcaster goes live, and sometimes I won't get notified when a broadcaster goes live, so it's kind of not reliable. I don't know in the Twitch app if you have to actually enable notifications for each individual broadcaster or really how that works, but just keep that in mind. It's not really perfect for me. I've had problems with that, but that's just something to keep in mind. Also, if you didn't know this, remember the Twitch skill does not come installed out of the box when you buy an Echo device. You will have to install it. I think if you tell the assistant to just open the Twitch app, I think she'll tell you do you want to enable it, and I think you can automatically enable it if you just tell her open the Twitch skill. But if that doesn't work, you can actually go to the application on your phone, the one that you initially set up your device, and in there you can download skills, and then you can just type in Twitch skill, and it'll bring up the Twitch skill, and then you can download that to your device. And that's only a one-time process. Once you've installed the skill to your Echo device, you'll be good to go for pretty much ever. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the Twitch skill on my Amazon Echo Show. Alexa, open Twitch.
Hello, on-site homeboy. Would you like to hear about your followed channels, popular games, or something else?
No.
Okay, what would you like to do?
But as you can see right there, she's just going to keep on talking, and she's pretty much asking me for a response right now, so it's going to be kind of clunky how I'm going to do this. But right now, here is the main home screen for the Twitch skill on the Echo Show. Of course, again, if you're on an Echo device that doesn't have a screen, you won't get the same thing, so just read them out to you.
What would you like to do?
But right here, you have follow channels, popular channels, and then you have popular games.
Two channels you follow are broadcasting right now. 1, food. 2, Johnny_Renegade. Which would you like to watch?
But as you can see right here, here's some of my channels that I'm following that are currently live streaming right now. I have food, which is always on. It's a 24/7 live stream that's on Twitch if you're interested in food.
Sorry, I can't find any stream.
And then there's another stream I'm actually going to.
If I got the name wrong, please try again. You can also try asking for a different game. What would you like to do?
Go home. So I'm going to go home from right there just because she's just going to keep on talking and talking and talking and talking. But I'm going to go back into the Twitch app, and I'm actually going to throw on a stream so you can see how it actually looks on the Echo Show. Keep in mind, you can't interact with broadcasters on the Echo Show. There's no virtual keyboard that comes up. There's no, you can't like a stream. You can't really do anything on the Echo Show when it comes to interacting with the streamer. So if you want to chat, like I said, or if you want to follow them or anything like that, you cannot do that on the Echo Show. The only way to do that is if you're on a computer, a laptop, a tablet, a smartphone. Any of those devices will pretty much do that. Just keep in mind when you're using the Twitch skill on the Echo Show, you're using it for playback only. You're not using it for interactions. You're not really talking or doing anything that involves interactions with the streamer. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the Twitch app right now and go ahead into a stream and get a stream started on the Echo Show. Alexa, open Twitch.
Hello, on-site a homeboy. Would you like to hear about your followed channels, popular games, or something else?
Popular channels.
I found some popular channels on Twitch, including 1. Riot Games, 2. Dralupo, 3. Play Hearthstone. You can say more, or select a channel to watch.
Play Riot Games.
Late game, we will be lacking kind of leadership from our foreman.
So as you can see there, it automatically opened up a stream after I gave it the name of the stream. Or I think you can actually give her the number selected, because as you've seen on each stream, it does have a number tied to it. So you can just tell her, play number 1, play number 2. So you don't necessarily have to know the name of the channel. And that's actually quite good, because a lot of these channels have really bizarre names. And sometimes Alexa really won't understand you if the channel has a really bizarre name. So that's good. You can say it by number.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
But I must say that the streams on the Echo Show look phenomenal. I have to admit, even though the screen on the Amazon Echo Show is not the greatest screen, you would think that these streams wouldn't really look that good. But I must say, it's almost hard to tell that this is not a high resolution screen. The screen looks phenomenal. Now, you may be seeing this through my camera, and my camera is probably not the best representation. So keep that in mind as well. Keep in mind that you're not seeing what I'm actually seeing in person and in real life. But trust me, the streams look amazing. Alexa, turn up the volume. Alexa, turn up the volume. I can admit one thing here, the Amazon Echo Show speakers aren't the greatest, and it's not going to get super loud, especially if you're watching a lot of streams, unfortunately. It does kind of suck, but what else can you really do? Alexa, turn the volume down. Alexa, turn the volume down. And then if you want to go back to the if you want to go back into a Twitch app, you just say her name and then you go back. Alexa, go back. Alexa, go back.
Would you like to hear about your followed channels, popular games, or something else?
Something else.
The Twitch skill can play channels you follow if you've linked your account. Suggest popular channels. Tell you what games are popular. Suggest channels by game name or Twitch category, and also play channels by name. Try saying, tell me popular streams, or who is playing League of Legends. What would you like to do?
So as you can see right there, that's pretty much all you can do in the Twitch app on the Echo Show. That's the same thing you can do with any of the other Echo enabled devices as well. You're going to get the same type of integration and the same type of things, minus the screen, of course. And then that's pretty much all you do. You just open it up, and then you can look around and things like that. And that's pretty much all that the Twitch skill has to offer when it comes to the Echo enabled device. It's a very useful skill, I would say, especially if you're a gamer or you like watching different things, because there's a lot of other things on Twitch besides gaming. If you didn't know that, they have a buttload of different things you can mess around with when it comes to Twitch. And it's nice that Twitch is actually available on the Echo devices, because if you didn't know this, YouTube was actually removed because Google and Amazon are in feud, since Amazon won't sell Google devices on Amazon, which does kind of suck, but what can you do? But that's better than nothing. I suggest giving it a try, even if you're not a gamer. There may be something on there you may actually run across. I just thought it was very interesting, and so far I absolutely love the Twitch integration on the Amazon Echo Show. I don't really have any problems with it, I will say, besides the notifications being kind of clunky. That kind of sucks, but other than that, I'm very satisfied with it, and I pretty much use it all the time. So that was just a quick look at the Twitch skill for the Amazon Echo Show, or for the Amazon Echo devices. Anyway, guys, this is Wayne from My Tech News, signing out.